San Antonio just crossed a quiet but critical line. Project Marvel, the city's most ambitious downtown redevelopment in decades, is no longer a flashy rendering or a political talking point. It is now a land by land, dollar by dollar reality, with some projects charging full speed ahead and others hitting the brakes. For homeowners, buyers, renters, and anyone watching San Antonio real estate, this matters more than almost any zoning change or rate adjustment, because when a city commits billions to infrastructure, arenas, mixed-use districts, and real estate values do not wait for ribbon cuttings. They move early. What is Project Marvel and why is it bigger than just a basketball arena? At its core, Project Marvel is a 60-plus acre sports and entertainment district centered around a $1.3 billion new Spurs arena, expanded convention facilities, mixed-use development, and long-term downtown connectivity upgrades. But here's the key real estate insight most headlines miss. Project Marvel is not about basketball. It is about land control, density, and economic gravity. Cities do not invest at this scale unless they expect long-term population growth, higher downtown demand, increased property tax revenue, strong investor interest. San Antonio signals all four of these. What is moving forward at full speed? The new Spurs arena is the anchor. The new arena remains priority number one with $800 million in public funding already approved by voters. A projected completion targeted of summer 2032, a 60-month design construction timeline once land acquisition is completed. From a real estate perspective, anchors projects like this increase nearby land values years before completion, attract national developers, drive demand for apartments, hotels, restaurants, and office space. Historically, cities that add modern downtown arenas see surrounding property values rise first, then rent, then redevelopment. $30 million land acquisition signals serious commitment. The San Antonio City Council has approved $30 million purchase of federally owned land near Hemisphere, funded by the Spurs but owned by the city. Why this matters for real estate? City ownership allows for long-term plan control, prevents speculative land fragmentation, enables coordinated mixed-use development. This is the kind of move cities make when they are planning multi-decade growth, not short-term wins. Mixed-use development will arrive before the arena. Under the city's agreement with the Spurs, $500 million in probably mixed-use development must be completed before the arena's bonds are issued. That means apartments, restaurants, retail, office space, possibly hotels, all before the first tip-off. For the San Antonio real estate, this accelerates rental demand, investors' interest, urban living appeal. What is slowing down or being paused? Convention Center's hotel on hold. A proposed convention center hotel is paused due to feasibility concerns, push back over relocation of Saw's chilling plant, questions about whether San Antonio already has significant hotel inventory. From a housing standpoint, this is a neutral to positive. Prevents overbuilding, preserves focus on residential and mixed-use demand, protects existing hospitality access. Alamodome renovations pushed to 2035. Major renovations was estimated near $1 billion are now delayed. This tells us the city is prioritizing future-focused assets. Capital is being deployed where growth returns are the highest. Land bridge over I-37, studied, not built. Federally funded uncertainty has paused construction, though studies still continue. While connectivity matters long-term, this delay does not slow down property acceleration tied to the area district. Keeps short-term capital focused on core development. Why Project Marvel is a long-term win for San Antonio real estate. Downtown density equals value stability. Cities with dense mixed-use downtowns experience less volatility in downturns, faster recovery after corrections, stronger rental demand. Project Marvel strengthens downtown San Antonio as a true live, work, play hub. Investors' confidence is already building. When public funding is approved, land acquisitions begin, developers line up, investors follow. This supports condo development, urban townhomes, small multifamily projects, short-term and long-term rental demand. Ripple effects extended far beyond downtown. Historically, major downtown projects lived near Southtown, East Side redevelopment zones, Midtown corridors, transit-connected neighborhoods. Buyers who understand this early gain pricing and leverage. What buyers, sellers, and renters should watch next. UTSA land acquisition negotiations, announcement of the Spurs development partners, mixed-use projects timelines, infrastructure funding decisions. These milestones often trigger price shifts before construction starts. The bottom line for San Antonio real estate and what to know is that Project Marvel has not stalled. It's being phased out strategically. And for real estate, phases growth is often healthier than a rush expansion. San Antonio's positioned itself for a stable downtown demand, long-term property value growth, strong investor confidence. For buyers and homeowners, this is not about hype. It's about timing and location. Thinking about buying or selling near San Antonio growth corridors, the smartest real estate decision happens before headlines turn into price strikes. Explore neighborhoods, homes, opportunities, and market strategy in this website right here. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Are you ready to make a move? Send us a DM.